Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the component testing. As we know about the component mean, it stands for the small units, and if we are going to test with the component testing, it stands for the also unit testing. In the component testing, we are going to test the sum of the component small module in the application. This is basically done at the code level. In this small piece of code is tested. Here component means the small units. For example, we are going to test the registration page, and registration page will contain the fields as name, email, phone number, and gender. These all fields are available on the registration page, and these all are the component. Basically, component testing is the testing all the component based on the requirement is known as the component testing. For example, in the mobile number field, only expect 10 digit mobile number, and according to the component testing, where test the mobile number text field as the tester, I will test the mobile number field and it only expect 10 digits mobile number, then I can mark as a pass. And as a tester, we need to test it should not able to accept less than 10 digits and more than 10 digits. For the component testing, first we need to perform the positive testing, and when the positive testing is done, then we need to proceed with the negative testing. This is all about the component testing, meaning about the component testing and how we proceed with the component testing. And component is stand for the small unit. Now we are going to discuss about the types of the component testing. Component testing has three types. First one is the over testing, next one is the under testing, and third one is the optimized testing. Over testing is basically done according to the boundary value analysis. As per the requirement, name field need to expect alphabetic character from 10 to 20. As a tester, we need to test for the values as per the boundary value analysis, like 10 to 20 character it is expecting, and according to boundary value analysis, we will put for the 10, 9, 10, 20, and 21. And next one is the under testing. As per the requirement, mobile number field only expect only numeric value. As a tester, we need to test for the positive and negative value. Like in the mobile number, we are able to enter the numeric field, and as a tester, we are going to test with the positive and negative value. Then we are entering with the as a positive, we are entering the numeric fields. As a negative value, we will enter numeric as well as the combination with the alphabetic characters. Then we will also try with the special character. In this way, we are going to proceed with the under testing. Next one is the optimized testing. In the optimized testing, we are doing the testing as per the positive and negative testing. In the positive testing, we are doing the testing as per the requirement. In the negative testing, when we are performing the testing without going through the requirement document. This is all about the component testing, type of the component testing, how we proceed with the component testing. Thank you.